Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Another treaty bit here for you guys. I'm going to share this semolina cake with you guys. You definitely need to try this. Stay tuned to see how I make it. These are all the ingredients that I'll be using in this recipe. So I brought water to the boil and placed a bowl on there. You need to make sure that you are able to use this bowl for that. I also added a few chocolates to let it melt. You don't have to boil the water, you can just heat it up slightly. And once it started to melt, I turned off the heat and let it melt completely like this. I'm now going to set aside to cool for later. And then I go on to beat 2 eggs. I am just going to beat it just as it breaks up or it becomes even, and then I'll go in and add my sugar. Okay, and I'm using 4 tablespoons of sugar, guys. You can use as much as you want or less. This is not too much. This is the whole point of baking your own cake at home, so you regulate how much you put in. Okay guys, I'm just beating that until it's pale like this. Then I am adding my extra virgin olive oil to it, and then I'm going to continue mixing it up a little bit. And then I am going to go ahead and add my milk, which I'm doing here, and also my vanilla extracts. Mix that together, and then I will add my dry ingredients. So once that is done, I'm just sifting my dry ingredients on or into the wet ingredients. So I'm starting off with my flour, and then I'll go in with my semolina as well as baking powder and salt. Guys, if today is your first time joining me on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. After that, I will just mix everything together slightly and slowly until I get a really light and liquidy paste just like this. And that is it for me. This is beautiful. This is just how I want it. I went ahead to dust my bowl with some flour and place some parchment paper as well to avoid sticking. And then I pour in my butter and apply the chocolate. So I am just spreading the chocolate across with my piping bag. I am not mixing it in the entire butter. Then I have also preheated my oven for 10 minutes, then bake the cake. And this is the end result. I am now going to leave it to cool completely for about 5 to 10 minutes before I remove it from the baking bowl. All right. So this is it, guys. I'm just dusting with some icing sugar, and then I am now going to try the cake. Guys, this cake is so fluffy. When I said so fluffy, it was just right. And I paired that with some Oreo ice cream that I made myself. The link is right up here. You can watch it. It was so simple. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you do, thumbs up for me. You don't need to buy cake outside, guys. You can make your own cake at home and add all your treaty bits and pieces that you want to add to it. So guys, if you are looking for an easy cake to make, I hope you try this recipe. You are basically using what you already have at home. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye bye for now.